and welcome. This series will highlight the importance of culturally appropriate foods as we continue to bring awareness to issues surrounding food security and food sovereignty. So you may be asking, what do culturally appropriate foods have to do with that? Well, food is personal, and culture not only shapes the meals that we prepare, but also our eating habits. So the types of foods that are available and accessible and the types of foods that we choose are all influenced by our cultures. In this series, you will see regular people like me and like you cooking regular meals together. We're far from culinary experts, but there is one thing that we do have in common, and that's a love for food. We hope that this series opens you to more delicious options for things that you may be familiar with and things that you may not be familiar with. So in this space that you see right here, we will learn together and share stories with one another. So we welcome you on this journey of friendship as we explore food. Food for us, food for you, and food for me.